Let's make it dirty, wash it with dirty water, and make it even dirtier with our feet. Then we'll wash it with clean water and give it to Uncle. Here you go, Uncle. I brought candy for you.
Thank you very much, child, but this candy looks very strange.
Oh, we gave you dirty candy. That's why it's so strange. You're so old. Mind?
You people are so mean. You gave me spoiled candy. I'll bury this candy here and pour a little milk on it. God will grow a candy tree for me. Now I'll take a little nap.
Oh, what's this? This poor man is sleeping here. Let's give him all the candy. Children, if you also like candy, do comment. I'll bring candy for you too. Look, friends, I've placed all the candy here. Now, I'll take my leave.
What's this? God has heard me and given me so much to eat. Friends, for God's sake, like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Damn, this poor guy ended up with so many candies.